Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I will let you know that how can you change or how can you add an address in your Meesho account. So for this video, you just need to go on Meesho application. If you have Meesho application on your phone, it will be more easy, but I don't have it right now on my phone. So I will go on the Safari browser here and open Meesho simply. And after opening it, you just have to go on your account section and log in into this your account. After that, if I'm going to purchase anything, like I will click on the electronics item and this selfie stick here. So I just have to click on the buy now option here and select it. So when you will go on the address page, you will see the two option here, and there is left option on edit. Whenever you will click on the left, there is an option called edit, and you can just edit your name, contact number and your address from here, and then you can save it again. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching.